All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about diagnosis by experience. We all talk about in this industry, stuff comes with experience. You know, the longer you've been doing it, the more likely you are to be better at it. Well, Josh pointed out something to me the other day. When I assign him tickets, I sometimes will go, it's probably this. And, well, he pointed out that almost always I'm right. And not that I'm this super tech, it's just that I've been there, done that. Now, a couple examples on Monday or Tuesday, I forget which day it was, I had two different cars, and I could have written them up in the parking lot, never even looked at them, and could have told you what was wrong with them. First one, which if you follow me on Instagram, you saw it, was a Chevy Cruze. Complaint was check engine light and noise from engine compartment. Well, and I'll put a picture up right here. Intake manifold, the little ball in it had failed, causing excessive pressure to blow out the PCV system in the valve cover. So it was a valve cover and intake manifold. Simple repair, but again, I diagnosed it from looking at the description. The other one, same day, was a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Complaint was check engine light on, leaking fluid, and shifting issues on the transmission. Wow, imagine that. It needed a condenser / transmission cooler. Also needed a thermostat, but you still have to actually diagnose the cars, but but as you get experience in this business, you will have seen a lot more, and you will know, oh, well, this is typically this. Let me check that first. And you'll become much more efficient at diagnosing cars if you have that memory. I'm really good at remembering obscure facts of history and cars. Oh, yeah, I saw that, it's this, try this. And, my memory's still good, I'm probably right. I mean, not that I am some super tech that, I just am really good at remembering stuff, okay? But my point of this video is, as you young techs come up in the world and you see a diagnostic guy pulling in cars and knocking them out quick, and you're struggling to do that, it's experience. I mean, I can't stress how much experience matters when it comes to diagnosing cars efficiently. Us older guys, we've been there, we've done that. We've seen it. Those two cars I talked about, been there, done that, seen them both. It's a matter of experience. So when you're struggling with a diagnosis and the old guy comes over here and go, well, did you check this? One, check that. And two, understand that he's coming from a place of much more experience. Now, on the other side of it, those experienced guys might chuck a part at it and not be right, because they're not good technicians. But that's a whole nother subject. But what I'm referring to is using your skills as a diagnostic tech and your knowledge and experience to diagnose cars more efficiently. Remember all the stuff you've seen. Some guys can't do that, but if you can, remember. Oh, well, that's pretty common. I need to check on that. It's amazing how often you see the same pattern failures over and over again. And you start to go, well, for instance, that Cruze could have predicted the codes that were in it based on just the complaint. And it was lean codes, obviously. So, follow the TSB, ball's missing, gets an intake manifold too. Gravy ticket. I mean, it's really not that hard a job to do, though I had to helicoil one of the valve cover bolt holes in the head, and apparently it's pretty common. But not besides that, understand that as you grow, your experience level will increase, and you'll get much more of those, oh, yeah, moments. So I hope you liked this video. Hope you found it of use. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification to get notified when I put out a new video. You didn't like the video? Give me a thumbs down. Maybe you're a rock star kid that already diagnosing at a, old guy level, and hey, awesome. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.